Okay. Hello guys. Okay, I want to introduce myself. My name is Fiska Almeida Wibowo. You can call me Fiska. I'm from Lombok Age and my presence is 34. Okay, I will present material about tense, so let's go. Okay, wait. I will present material about tense. So, explain about simple present tense, simple past tense, past continuous tense, present continuous tense, simple future tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, and conditional sentence. So, number one, example of tense that I took from children's study book and journal. Okay, number one, simple present tense. Okay, what is the present tense? So, simple mean there is an event. Well, if it's present, it means now. In essence, the simple present tense is a sentence with a verb from the express event that are taking place in the present have a formula, subject, plus verb 1, plus complement, and the example simple present tense in teaching material book, elementary or primary education. A first study district have smaller population than the average district nationally, but larger than the average district in their respective province. And example 2 in children's storybook, The Angel's Leg. I do not refuse, but I also do not accept youth recruits. Okay. Number 2, simple past tense. Simple past tense, verb also called past simple or preterite, show action that occurred and was completed at a particular time in the past. Simple past tense have a formula, subject plus verb 2 plus object plus complement. The example from simple past tense in teaching material book, since there were no data flows, the raw scores were used for the ANOVA analysis. And example 2 in children's storybook, The Angel's Leg. Once upon a time, there was a very big and famous kingdom in South Kalimantan. Okay, number 3, past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is a form of sentence that is interrupted by other event and can also be combined with other event at the same time. Past continuous tense has a formula, subject plus was or were plus verb ing plus object plus complement. The example from past continuous tense in children's storybook, The Angel's Leg. Prabu Mahasila was really relevant because the sentence has a subject, was plus verb ing and object and complement. Okay. Number 4, present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is a tense that you can use to describe something or state an action that is taking place for a certain time in the present. Present continuous tense has a formula that is subject plus be plus verb ing plus complement. The example from present continuous tense in children's storybook, The Angel's Leg. The youngest princess wore her scarf while carrying her baby. Okay. Number 5, simple future tense. Simple future tense is a form of tense to show an event that has not started and will only happen in the future, aka in future. The example from simple future tense in teaching material book, I will come and see her. And example 2 from simple future tense in children's storybook, The Angel's Leg. Teachers in planning and implementing learning activities. Because there is will in sentence which indicate that something will happen. You can also use the simple future tense to express a prediction and a wish. Okay, number 6, present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is a sentence pattern with a change in the form of the verb that is used to express a past continuous or even that is still continuing until now. Present continuous tense has structure, subject plus has plus been plus complement. So example from present perfect tense in teaching material book. Since the opening of the school, it has been incorporated into the public school system of the city because in sentence have a structure subject plus has plus been and complement. So number 7, present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense is a verb of tense to express an action that has been completed at a point in the past, or an action that has started in the past, but the action is still happening or continuing up to the person. Sorry, the past, but the action is still happening or continuing up the present. Perfect continuous tense has the formula subject plus have or has plus been plus verb in. Because in children's storybooks and journal, there is no present perfect continuous tense. Because the present perfect continuous tense is a form of verb or tense to express an action that has been completed at a point in the past or an action that has started in the past. But an action is the but an action this is still happening or continuing to this day. Okay, number 8, past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense are tense or verb from the express an action with a certain duration of time, or an event that has started and is ongoing in the past, that is no longer happening now. Past perfect continuous tense, it use subject plus had plus been plus verb in. So example from past perfect continuous tense in children's storybook, The Angel's Leg, all preparation had been starting months before the wedding day. Okay, number 9, past perfect tense. Past perfect tense is a change in the form of the verb to express that there was an event or action that was completed at a point in the past before another action in the past as will occur. Past perfect tense has a formula subject plus had plus past participle verb 3. The example from past perfect tense in teaching material book, the present tense of Indonesian over the age of 25 that had attained at least a bachelor degree in 2019 was just under was just under 9%, the lowest of all the member states of the Association of Southeast Asian Nations or ASEAN. And example 2, in children's storybook The Angel's Leg, the king had in it looked for the Yellowstone necklace anywhere, but they couldn't get it. Okay, number 10, future continuous tense. Future continuous tense is a form of verb to express an event that is taking place in the future or time to come with a specific time adverb, aka sentence that use this tense have a duration of time. The example from future continuous tense in Teaching Material book, we will be driving for a long time. The sentence have a future continuous tense is a form of verb to express an ongoing event in the future or future time with a specific time adverb. And the sentence has the formula subject plus will or shall plus be plus verb ing and complement. Okay, number 11. Future perfect tense. Future perfect continuous tense. Sorry. Okay, number 11. Future perfect continuous tense. So, future perfect continuous tense is a form of sentence to express an action or event that will take place up to a certain point in the future. In the case, someone will express an action that is happening in the future, but will continue into the future. In the Teaching Material book and children's study book, I do not find the future perfect continuous tense in it. Because the future perfect continuous tense is a form of sentence to express an action or event that will take place up to a certain point in the future and has the formula subject plus will plus have plus been plus verb ing or present participle and complement. So the last 12. Conditional sentence. Conditional sentence means a conditional sentence. This sentence can be used to express cause and effect, the possibility of something happening, or to express presupposition for things that are not actually possible. There are 4 types of conditional sentence, each of which use a different tense. However, basically, all conditional sentence consists of an if clause and a main clause. Conditional sentence type 0 has a formula if plus simple present tense and formula 2 simple present tense plus if plus simple present tense. So formula 1 if plus simple present tense and simple present tense. And formula 2, simple present tense plus if plus simple present tense. The example from conditional sentence type 0. Example 1, if you heat butter, it melts. And example 2, the ground gets wet if it rains. So, conditional sentence type 1. Conditional sentence type 1 is used to express something that is very likely to happen in the future if we do something. Formula conditional sentence type 1. Formula 1, if plus simple present tense and simple future tense. Formula 2, simple future tense plus if plus simple present tense. And example from conditional sentence type 1. Example 1, if you go now, you will arrive there on time. And example 2, I will buy a new bike if I pass the exam. And conditional sentence type 2. Conditional sentence type 2 is used to express something that is unrealistic or very unlikely to happen. Therefore, this type is suitable for expressing our dreams. Jadi, therefore, this type is suitable for expressing our dreams. And formula from conditional sentence type 2, formula 1, if plus simple past and present conditional. And formula 2, present conditional plus if plus simple past. And the example from conditional sentence 2, conditional sentence type 2. Example 1, if I live in Seoul, tonight I will go to the concert. In fact, I don't live in Seoul, so I cannot go to that concert. And example 2, I would play roller coaster every day if I owned them park. In fact, I don't know. In fact, I don't have my own playground, so I cannot go roller coaster every day. And conditional sentence type 3. Conditional sentence type 3 is used to convey presupposition for events that have occurred in the past because it has already happened and cannot be changed in reality. We can only state that will happen if the event goes differently from reality. Conditional sentence have a formula 1, if plus past perfect, and perfect conditional. And formula 2, perfect conditional plus if plus past perfect. And the example from conditional sentence type 3, example 1, if I had left my house earlier, I wouldn't have missed the ride. In fact, I left home late, so I missed the train. And example 2, if she had called me yesterday, I would have been happy. In fact, yesterday he did not call, so I'm not happy now. So, thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.